This tree is over 200 years old. This tree, if it could talk, it will give you a lot of stories of a lot of generations. We're standing at Earl Henderson Park, 4250 Elysian Street. We love this park. This has always been a tight community, and we always came together. A diverse, safe, family-oriented community, and it welcomes everyone. We want the community to continue to grow. We know it's going to grow. We just want to give back to our ancestors and our grandparents that started this. To grow the community is to help the whole north side. Again, it will bring down crime. It will build character. We thought that they're just gonna run through here and not give us anything. And HCTRA, they came to us in the meeting and say, what can we do? And so we can get a facility. You know, we can get classrooms. We can get an open area for movie night. HCTRA is doing their job. We're meeting with HCTRA. Good things, and they're worth waiting for. And so when it does come, let's enjoy it, let's take care of it, and let's preserve it.